This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2022 RM Sotheby's auction in Amelia Island, checking out this 1948 Packard. I love 8-station sedan. They are just so gorgeous. The wood here, of course, is just cemented on to the door panels, but up on top it's more quote-unquote structural. You can see how thick the wood is over there. It's intriguing the way how they got another body style out of the same body. Look at the way how that's worked. The heavy hinges and such, the clamshell rear. An interesting Packard. And quite a Woody, wouldn't you agree? Only has 2 seats. Brown leather. Nothing up on the headliner. This is called a 8-station sedan. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, click subscribe and share. I'll see you at the shows.